everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 694 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out my last product that I have to try out from my December 2019 Ipsy Glam bags, which means that I'm soon going to be uploading a full face using all of my Ipsy products for the month of December. But so what I have here is the Pixi by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Mineral Bronze. And I'm really excited to get this because last month I got this duo here, which is the exact same little eyeshadow palette, the Mesmerizing Mineral Duo, but in Naturally Nude. And so I will have my review of this linked down below, but this is my daily eyeshadow now. I wear this shimmery champagne shade on my eyelid every single day. I wear it to work, I wear it out running errands. I just love it. I think it's so pretty, easy to wear. I've been doing this champagne shade with some bronzer in the crease because on a daily basis, the chocolate brown in this palette is a little bit more like done up, a little bit more glamorous, a little bit extra for my eyes for a daily basis. So I'm thinking these darker shades here are going to be too dark for my daily eyeshadow, but they look beautiful for more of a glamorous look, which should go with my red lipstick pretty well. This lipstick that I'm wearing is from ASM Artistry, which I will have my review of that linked down below. That's such a fun unboxing and it's an amazing quality lipstick. This red shade in this formula is just really inspiring to me and making me feel so pretty and festive. So I really recommend that lipstick. But so we're gonna do a little bit of like a glamorous look with these. I'm gonna go ahead and start out by swatching them. Seriously, such an amazing formula. So buttery and soft. And so extremely pigmented. So they all have this really pretty shimmery shine to them. So none of these are matte. But here's what it looks like. These are seriously such amazing quality. Like, I want these in a full palette with color. I think that would be so fun. But so what I'm thinking of doing today is, let's see, I'm gonna take the darker shade and I'm going to work that into the outer V and into the crease a bit. And I am going in with a brush because I'm trying to diffuse out the color a bit. But if you want it to be full pigment, dark brown shade, then you could apply it with your finger. So, just blends out so beautifully. But yeah, diffusing it into the crease and the outer V. I am going to pick up a little bit with my finger to tap that into the outer corner of my eye because that's where I want it to be the darkest. This is seriously a beautiful shimmery brown shade. I feel like this would look so pretty with brown eyes. I feel like this eyeshadow look so far, mixed with that champagne shade that I love from my palette that I got last month, or not even my palette, my little duo last month, like this with the brown in the crease and the outer corner, then adding that champagne in the center would be a perfect, easy, quick, glam eye look. So I'm sure that is something that I'll be doing. But for this look, I'm just focusing on the Mineral Bronze Duo. And so using my finger, I'm going to pick up the lighter brown shade and apply that to the rest of my eyelid. It applies so beautifully with the finger, like so sparkly and pigmented. I can't get over the formulas of these shadows. So this is a really quick, easy, beautiful brown smoky eye. And all it takes is those 2 shades. I love this makeup look. With the red lip, I am all about this. I will just take a little bit of the darker brown shade and smoke that along the lower lash line. Look at the difference with the lower lash line smoked out versus without it. Like, this just takes the eye look to the next level of glam. Like, I feel like this eye looks so much more enhanced, so much bigger. So funny the difference that makes. So here is my finished eye look. I love it. It's so easy to do, but glamorous. A perfect brown smoky eye that you can get with just these 2 colors. They look so good on the eye. Like, they look kind of glossy because of that shine. And I love that glossy lid trend. Seriously, like, they blend out amazingly. So pigmented, so easy to work with. I love these Pixi eyeshadows. So I'm glad that I have a quad of eyeshadows now. But if you know of any other Pixi eyeshadow palettes that you would recommend that have some other shades, let me know in the comments down below. These are the first makeup products that I've tried out from Pixi. I have tried out the Glow Mist, which I also love, but I need to expand my Pixi makeup collection. So if you have any Pixi recommendations in general, definitely let me know about those in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.